This is mod 3 for triangle position into half moon. So starting in your mountain position, feet hip distance apart, take a big step back with that right foot, about 4 or 5 feet between the heels. Heel to heel alignment, back foot opens at 90 degrees. Make sure you have a little micro bend into that front knee, toes lifted up off the floor, arms out shoulder height. Door as I flex the hand, engage that back line, open the front line. Start to reach your left hand forward. So someone's pulling your right hip back as you reach the left heel of the hand forward. Create some pull, opposition in your body. And then from here, when there's no more movement, there's your spine movement. Release the left hand down towards the shin, towards the ankle. Holding here, maybe the gaze looks up. Back of the neck stays long. Breathing here, using your core. Hug the front body and keep pushing into your feet. To transition into the balance, look down at your left foot. Bend your front knee. Start to bring your weight into that left foot. Heel toe the right foot a little bit closer. And then start to pick that right leg up off the floor. Door as I flex that right foot. Trying to open the hips to 90 degrees. Door as I flex that back foot. Strong body, breathe. And then to come out, bend your left knee, step the right foot back, step up to mountain and change. Take a big inhale and big exhale.